Hi, I am Dr. Major Samiksha Tyagi. Do you take multivitamins every single morning? Do you order expensive hair gummies online? Still, the amount of hair in your comb isn't just decreasing. Today, as a doctor, I am going to tell you a bitter truth. The problem isn't necessarily your supplement. The problem lies in their timing and their combinations. Medical science proves that if nutrition is not absorbed in the body, it is simply wasted. It will not give you thick hairs. In today's Nutrition Masterclass, I will reveal the 4 nutrient group that forms the foundation of your hair growth. I will discuss the PubMed research. I will discuss about the dangerous food combination and how you can stop your hair fall right from your kitchen. At the end of the video, I will provide a pro nutrition schedule. So make sure you don't skip a second. So the first nutrition pillar is iron and L-Lysine, which are absorber duos. Iron is also called as the blood builder. Let's first talk about iron. In India, over 50% of the women are anemic. But did you know the Journal of Korean Science confirms that ferritin level less than 30, below 30 are strongly associated with your hair loss, especially in ladies. However, iron cannot work alone. It needs a partner to work efficiently. According to the report of Journal of Dermatology, iron requires an amino acid called as L-Lysine to be effectively absorbed in your body. Now, if we consider what are the food options that can give you these nutrients. If you are vegetarian, then spinach and figs are the best resources for iron. For lysine, you must include paneer, lentils and pumpkin seed in your diet. When you use these products in combination, definitely they lead to better iron absorption. But what does not go with iron? Let's discuss that. Have you ever taken a spinach dish and followed it with a curd or milk? Please stop doing that. Calcium and iron are enemies. They fight for the same receptor in your body, and calcium is the one who always wins. The result, whatever iron you take through your diet or through your supplements is wasted. Furthermore, research in the Journal of Nutrition proves that the polyphenols in your tea and coffee inhibit iron absorption by up to 90%. The tannins in your chai literally block 70% of the absorption. So as a doctor, my advice is always take iron after meal and do not take it within 2 hours of consuming tea or coffee. If you are taking tea or coffee in your breakfast, it is not the ideal time to take your iron supplement. But instead pair it with vitamin C like lemon water, because it increases bioavailability by approximately 400%. The next pillar is structural minerals like zinc or copper. These are also called as hair glues. Hair is just not protein. It needs glue to hold it together. That glue is supplement zinc. Research shows that zinc deficiency causes hair to become brittle and they are very prone to breakage. So if you are facing brittle hair, easy breakage, that can be the clue that you are having zinc deficiency. For zinc, the natural food options are whole grain, chana and sunflower seeds. And if you are facing the problem of early graying of your hair or premature graying, you are likely to need copper in your diet, which is found in natural food items like walnut, almonds and dark chocolate. But remember this thing, never take high dose zinc supplement without doctor supervision. Excess zinc can deplete your copper level in body and it can lead to other health issues. Regarding timing of zinc, taking it on empty stomach may cause nausea. So it is always recommended to take zinc supplement after your meal. Now next move to the third important pillar, that is DNA growth factor, which are B12, folate and D3. Do you know that your hair cells are amongst the fastest growing cell in your entire body? To divide this quickly, they need DNA replication, and which comes from vitamins like B12 and folate. The Journal of Dermatology shows that without B12 in your body, your hair follicles will not get enough of oxygen. Now let's talk about vitamin D3. This isn't just vitamin, it is hormone that sends a wake-up call to your hair follicle. If you are too deficient in your vitamin D3, your hair will not grow. Here is an important fact. A study shows that biotin supplement only help if your body is having deficiency of biotin. For healthy individuals who are taking biotin, it has almost no effect on your hair growth. So just don't take biotin supplements without knowing your body levels. Now looking for the natural food options. For vitamin D3, sunlight is the best resource. But in food, there is very little amount of vitamin D3 which is found in egg yolk and mushroom. Whereas for vitamin B12, most of the dairy products like milk, curd, paneer, they have good amount of vitamin B12 and sprouts too. That too, and many fermented foods. If you are planning to take vitamin D3 and vitamin E, which are fat-soluble vitamins, never take these on empty stomach. Always take them after your heaviest meal, maybe like lunch or dinner. The next important pillar, that is the fourth pillar, is antioxidant sheet, which is formed by vitamin E and omega-3. The final pillar is about inflammation control. If your scalp is under oxidative stress, your hair will never stay rooted. The PubMed studies proves that omega-3 fatty acid eliminates scalp dryness and dandruff. Now let's have a look. What are the natural food options for that? Flaxseed, walnuts and chia seeds are omega-3 powerhouses. You can just include them in your diet so as to fulfill the demand of omega-3. For vitamin C, snack on peanuts and sun-dried seeds like sunflower seeds. But there is a warning. Many people pop vitamin E capsules thinking it will speed up their growth. But be careful. Vitamin E can actually increase hair shedding. Always maintain a balanced approach. Friends, nutrition is a vital foundation, but it is not magic. If your hair loss is genetic or you have hormonal issues like PCOD or thyroid, diet alone will not be enough. If you are tired of trying every new magical oil or hair gummies, give science a chance. At Treatmentology Clinic, we just don't treat the surface. We treat the roots. We analyze your blood reports and find out the actual root cause. Click the link below to upload your latest photograph of hairs. Our medical team will go through it, analyze them, and they will guide you what can help you. Don't guess. Let's get it diagnosed. Share this video with those friends who are taking supplement but they are not seeing any results. I am Dr. Major Samiksha Tyagi. Stay healthy, stay confident.